Good morning, guys. This is our playground for today with Nini. Hot everywhere, Peppers. I don't think that we're gonna find anything, but we try it, Nini. Do we try? You can wave. Our bicycle, again the Quest Q60. Let's see. So far empty, Nini. Even a single target, nothing. Uh-oh. Nothing, Nini. Maybe under this swing. Hot, Nini, nothing. Zero. I'm sad. I try with my pinpointer. Empty, Nini. Our spot for today is empty. Ah, here is our 10 cent, Nini. We have 10 cent. There is something trash, Nini. Yes, the pool tub. Here is our coin, Nini. Ah! And there is the train. Train. Choo-choo. Nini, I found €2. We have already €2, 10 cents. Good.
Very good, very nice. Very good, very nice.
Here. Not there, you cannot be stable. Here, this is your size. Come. Put you here. Turn to me. I lift you up. Okay, then go. Ah, that is the train. Then you don't want to swing. Okay. Nini, our next coin. Or what is this? Oh, not coin. Ah! Washer, or how calls this? So a big one. Again train, Nini. Oh my god. This trail here behind us is very busy, Nini. Always there is a train. What do you think? What did you find? Are you curious, Nini? Oh, Buttercup. Trash. Can you throw in the trash bin, please? Throw it through the trash bin. There is a doggy. Hi. Throw to the trash bin, Nini. Please. Because don't sit down, Nini, please. Because wet. Wet. Stand up, please. Stand up. Because wet. The grass is wet, Nini. And what do we find here? Ah, Nini, coin. 5 cents. Do you want it? Put it here in your pocket. I'm on it. What is this? Oh, Buttercup, Nini, trash. Can you throw to the trash bin, please? 1 cent. Or what is this? Yes, there is a baby. We have a little coin, Nini. I think 1 cent or 2 cent, Nini. Put it in your pocket. 2 cent. Put it in your pocket. For 1 cent, Nini, put it in your pocket. 66 target ID. What is the 66 target ID with the vest? Q60? I hope not Buttercup. And the Buttercup. No, what is it? Yeah, old Buttercup. Trash. That was this video for today. Say bye bye, Nini. We found only €2 and a little cents, and we go home now. Bye bye.